So our next one on the list is the fennel seeds. So let's grab them and let's talk about them. So what I'm going to be using tonight on the fennel seed, I'll be using a spice grinder. If you want to use your spice grinder, like an electric coffee mill that you have dedicated for spices, go ahead and pull that out. Don't use your coffee grinder though, folks, the one you actually use for coffee beans. I mean, it makes it interesting when you make a cup of coffee or a pot of coffee and you're like, wow, this one tastes like, white pepper. This one tastes like fennel seed. This cup of coffee tastes like cloves, right? Well, cloves actually wouldn't be bad. Little hint of cloves in your coffee. But anyway, you just pick one of these up at Walmart or something, 20 bucks, and you just dedicate it for spices only. If you have whole spices you want to grind. And a little pro tip for you, the more spices and herbs you buy in the whole form in your spice rack, the longer they last. And then you just grind it by hand when you need them ground, okay? Do that. You're gonna have better flavor from your spices that way than if you bought them already pre-ground. Or bust out your mortar and pestle, okay? But I wanna grind them. So again, it's 1 tablespoon measured fennel seeds, comma, ground. So we've already measured the tablespoon, and then whatever the measurement is ground, we just add it to that bowl. Here we go. How easy this is? Simple. It's so easy. Always have one of these. This is one of our best little appliances in the kitchen. And for 20 bucks, man, if you haven't got one, put that on your Christmas list right now. Okay, tell Santa, I want a spice grinder. For 20 bucks, I mean, Santa can spare 20 bucks during a pandemic, I think, right? Here we go. All right, so here's my fennel seed. It's all nice and powder. It's great. So we're just going to take our prep bowl that we have everything in and just dump whatever's in there, okay? I think the last time I used this was for our hot and sour soup class, I think, with the white pepper. I had white peppercorns, and that's how I get my ground white pepper, is just grinding in my spice mill. So it's a handy thing to have. Please get one. Oh, and the other thing I want to tell you about fennel seed is not the seed of the fennel bulb that you would buy as a vegetable. No, completely different plant altogether. A lot of people think because that fennel bulb is called fennel and this is called fennel seed, it's the seed of that plant. It's not. It's a completely different plant that has these seeds, exact same flavor, like the black licorice anise sort of flavor to it, but completely different plant altogether. So don't be fooled, folks, and tell other people. Spread the word of the fennel seed. I love fennel seed. If you haven't made my famous sausage and fennel pasta yet, oh man, you got to make that. That's in the Best in Your Kitchen book. So this one right here, I think everybody has this one already. It's been out for like 6 years or something, right? So this one here, my famous sausage and fennel pasta. Make that, okay? It's great. You'll love it. Absolutely every single person that has that, they're like, wow, that's a great dish. All right, and so easy to do, so simple.